How to add a weather widget or a weather bar on your Notion page. So it's pretty simple. You need to go to this website called edify.co. Once you're here, log in into your account or create an account if you don't have it. Over here, you just need to scroll down after you create an account and click on weather. You can click on create widget by hovering your mouse on top of weather and just give it a title. So I'm going to give it a title called weather and clicking continue. Now it's generating a widget for you. Now once you do that, as you guys can see, this is basically the weather widget. Now you can change it. So I'm going to search for a weather of my country. Now you can choose whichever places like weather you want. You can choose the preferred unit, and after everything is done, what you need to do is just copy this link and then go to your Notion page, and on your Notion page paste the link which you copied and choose embed over here. Wait for some time. And as you guys can see, the weather is embedded. Now, if you edit anything over here, it's going to be edited over here as well. You cannot edit it from here. You need to go to Edify and edit it, okay? So that's how you guys can add weather on your Notion page. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.